Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the sieve stitch. I did look up the pronunciation of this stitch and hopefully I said that correctly. So to begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make an even number of chains. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 1 chain. Into the first stitch of your row, make 1 single crochet. We're now going to start our sequence. Make a chain to skip a stitch, and then into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Make a chain to skip a stitch, into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Make a chain, skip a stitch, into the next stitch, make a single crochet. And you're going to repeat this sequence for the rest of your row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. Skip the first stitch of your row. Working into this previous chain space, you're going to make 2 single crochet. You're going to skip the next stitch. Into this previous chain 1 space, you're going to make 2 single crochet. Skip the next stitch, into this next chain space, make 2 single crochet. So this is going to be the sequence for our row. Into each chain space, you're going to make 2 single crochet until you reach the last stitch of this row. When you get to the end of your row and you have 1 stitch left, work 1 single crochet into that stitch by itself to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the sieve stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.